Assalamu alaikum. Our group is H, and our group members are Tayyab, Ejaz, Ahmed, Muhammad Dawood and Sulat Laraib. And our topic was FreedCamp, the tool that we have studied. So, FreedCamp is a software as a service tool that is widely used for the project management. So, our goal today is to demonstrate how FreedCamp plays the special role for the team works to daily plan their work and execute them and properly assign them to their respective team members. So we all have also furthermore mapped FreeCam capabilities to the PM Box 7th edition, especially the 8 performance domains and 12 principles. So moving further to the slide, let's start with the our analysis. First, we have seen the title System for Value Delivery. So, system for the, value delivery is basically the complete ecosystem that ensures that what we deliver actually creates value, not just output, but real outcome that is actually benefiting over the our real user. So, if we take a real world example, so for example, if we are building an app, the app is actually the output that we will deliver to our user. So, but the value might be increased. For example, if the customer satisfies, all business performance will automatically affect this. So, system for value delivery ensures that everything from planning to execution points towards those outcomes. So, in the diagram, you are seeing that in the center we have the FreeCamp that is sitting at the center as a unified environment. So, on the left side we have strategy, which reflects leadership level decisions. On the right side we have our value delivery that what actually team achieves from the projects. So, from seeing this, we are actually coming to know that FreeCamp becomes the bridge between these two, and this also ensures that our daily work is not random or disconnected, but directly supports the organizational goals. Moving further, we have the stakeholder performance domain. So, where the focus is keeping stakeholders engaged and aligned. We know that a project without the stakeholder alignment is like a group of people that is moving, that is going with their own different directions. Uh, that will that In that case, our project will hardly move forward because everything is having their own direction, their own visions, and no one is keeping is uh, standing on the same pages. So our directions and our goals are not going forward, and our achievements are not clear. So in the trade camp, on the right side, we are seeing the key features. First of all, wiki module. So think of it like this act as a central knowledge base. Think of it like structured governance. Uh, uh, it contains the documents like our project charter, ensuring that everyone sees the same information. It may contain the information about the project, where we are project documentation. Everyone is seeing the same thing uh, and the same uh, goals. So down we have the file modules. So basically, this is basically has the latest document uh, that is basically telling that who has that is basically the latest document that a specific member or the person having it for the transparency. Then we have the permission settings that is basically let us control who see what. It is like giving someone, for example, responsibility. So by using these features, we create a single source of truth, reducing misunderstanding and eliminating variant confusion, and which is one of the biggest causes of stakeholder misalignment in real projects. And on the right side, we are seeing that on the wiki we have basically our example that we and that I'm talking about the wiki. So furthermore, so again we have next we have team performance domain. So team performance domain specifically is focusing on the structure, best structure for the team. So a well-structured team, if a team is well structured, then we have the everyone on the same page, and in doing so, we have all the members being the is looking to the same thing that needs to be delivered, that needs to be completed in the specific period of time. Then uh, if we oppositely see the side of it, if the teams are unclear, everyone chases the different chaos and follows the different directions. So FreedCamp prevent this chaos through its management. So we actually add our members to our FreeCamp tool by assigning them the different roles. For example, you are showing on this side, for example, admin role with with the extra things and decisions he can make. Then we have user. The user is maybe a team member that is responsible for executing the task and delivering the work. Then we have the guest, basically that is like observer, uh, who just need visibility but don't have any control. So by establishing these kind of roles upfront, we create a role clarity. So everyone knows their responsibilities, which reduces conflict, increase accountability among the team members, and improves team dynamics. So moving further, we have the development approach and life cycle. One of the biggest strengths of the FreeCamp is that it naturally supports a habit approach. So, for example, if we are having the predictive approach, we can say that it's like a waterfall where we have everything planned before, then we just do the execution. And then we have the adaptive approach is like when we gradually or step by step move further when we get the feedbacks from the real users. Then furthermore, we have the in the predictive approach we have the Gantt chart that basically has us plan timelines with the dependencies, much like creating a schedule. Then on the right side, on the adaptive approach, we have basically the Kanban that basically tell us that to-do list, for example, any task that is in progress, that is or completed or cancelled. So basically to see the track sprint, so we have the track sprint kind of progress. So by using both these views, we actually manage the structured phases by staying flexible, which is exactly how modern projects operate. So further, we have the planning domain that is basically the central concept here is decomposition, breaking work into manageable pieces. Uh, like if we have the specific task list serve as the level one deliverables, subtasks enable further breakdown. For example, we can have our main task listed. Then we have the specific task. For example, on the right side, we are saying that we have that specific task backend. Then then it have further have the subtasks like API setup that is basically a deliverable. that maybe further in future will be assigned to a specific user with its priority may be low, medium or high depending upon how critical this deliverable is. So this hierarchy enforces the 100% rule, meaning that all work required for the deliverable is included and nothing extras needs in. So we have only that thing that needs to be delivered, not the extra thing that is not needed or maybe that is not adding any value uh, in all over the project planning and its execution. So this also prevents the scope creep, which is one of the most common reasons real projects go over budget or miss deadlines. So yeah, here what down structure we can see that is how structurally is it is managing over tasks. Uh,
Now, let's move to the project work domain, especially focusing on collaboration. In any project, managing knowledge and capturing decision is extremely important. Freedom support this through its discussion and comment features, which act as central repository for all project knowledge. Instead of relying on scattered emails and private chat, this discussion board keep every conversation in one organized place. This makes it easy for members to visit past decisions, understand its reasoning behind choice, and stay aligned. Knowledge capture becomes much easier because every discussion, decision, and clarification and update is stored permanently and can be accessed anytime. There are two major collaboration benefits here. First one is it reduces dependency and fragmented emails chain that often get lost. Second is it promotes collaborative learning because team member can openly discuss issues, share insights, and learn from each other. Overall, FreeCamp ensure that all project communication stay transparent, organized, and easy to assess. Now let's look at the execution and aspect of the project work domain. FreeCamp provides a visual Kanban board which acts as a powerful information radiator. This means it's continuously display real-time information about the teamwork in progress on. And the Kanban board has several major benefits. First, it provides clear transparency into the current workflow. Everyone can instantly see which tasks are in to do, which are in progress, and which are completed. Second, it helps us identify bottlenecks early. For example, if many tasks get stuck in the in progress or review column, it's signal that the team may need support in that area. Third, it helps balance the workload. By looking at the board, team or can redistribute tasks so one is overloaded and progress stay smooth. Feed Kanban board also help team balance project. Now let's move on to delivery domains where the focus is on quality and definition of done, also known as DoD. FreeCamp support quality assurance through its built-in task management features. One of the most useful features is here subtask. In FreeCamp, subtask essentially work as mandatory quality checklist. This ensures that every requirement is completed and verified before the task is marked done. Definition of done includes several key aspects. First one is the task as a clear and explicit quality checkpoint. Second, all quality criteria, whether functional or non-functional, must be verified before delivery. For example, in a simple task with a simple task with a checklist. For the first one, functional requirement must be met. Second, non-functional must be met. Third one is quality assurance test must be passed. When enforcing these checkpoints through sub tasks, FreeCamp ensure that nothing is marked as done until it's truly meet the project quality standard. Now, let's look at the measurement domain, especially focusing on cost, variance analysis, and weather forecasting. Feed can support cost measurement through its time visit, which allow team members to enter both estimated hour and actual hour for every task. This is essential for bottom estimating because it will cost calculation from the task level upward. It, here, it's, here how it works. Estimation time represented the planned hours. Actual time is what the team actually spent on the task. The difference between the two is used for variance analysis. Variance analysis gives us valuable insight. It helps us identify deviation from the planned performance, understand performance trend over time, and third one is create more accurate forecast for when the project will be completed and how much it will cost. The time visit costs collect both estimated and actual hour data, which can also be used for earned values analysis, making FreedCamp a strong tool for monitoring and cost performance. So now move to the utility domain, which focus on risk management, identifying, analyzing, and responding to risk throughout the project. FreedCamp support risk management through the issue tracker module, which work like a dynamic risk register. This means we can record risk, update them, prioritize them, and track all their status all in one place. One key feature is the ability to use customized tags. For example, you can tag one item on high priority, meaning it is a high impact, high probability risk. It helps the team immediately recognize which risks need urgent attention. Risk management in Lead can bring two major benefits. First one is it's allowed the team to anticipate disruption before they happen. Second one is it support planning effective mitigation strategies so risk can be controlled instead of becoming problem later. We also use a probability impact matrix to categorize risk into low, medium, high, and critical level. HP stands for high risk, MP stands for medium risk, and LP stands for low risk. This method helps the team assess which risks require immediate action and one can simply monitorize. So next, then mind will.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Dawood, and so basically I'll tell how our tool that is FleetCamp uh, embodies the PM Box 7 principle. Uh, FleetCamp strongly supports the PM Box 7 PM Box 7 principle. Like one of them is tailor based on context. FreeCamp specifically strongly supports this principle that is tailored based on context. Uh, every project has different complexity, uncertainty, and budget, team size, technology, risk tolerance. So FreeCamp allows team to enable only the feature they need through its app, through its own app marketplace. Uh, it has a it has its own app marketplace that allows teams to customize their uh, PMIS to match project needs. They uh, they can customize their PMIS according to the needs of the project. So this links with models, methods, and artifacts because tailoring determines which estimation method we have to use, which risk analysis model we have to apply, and tailoring also uh, tells us which documents and artifacts are needed for this project. So uh, uh, FreeCamp also tells us which leadership. Uh, Tailoring also tells us which leadership approach fits the team. So FreeCamp strongly embodies tailoring principle of the PM Box 7. Uh, Tiering, as you know, tiering or reduces the unnecessary cost, which is exactly what we studied in our course contact. Uh, Next slide. Yes. Now we have advanced collaboration features. The PM Box FreeCamp have a lot of collaboration features like discussion board, file sharing and discussion board. It have two features. Uh, in discussion board, members can use these boards to collaborate with each other. Mm, this collaboration tool enables the project team members to uh, collaborate, and it directly supports the stakeholder domain and team domain and along with project work domain uh, by because it because uh, of which is a PM Box 7 principle. Uh, these domains are a part of PM Box 7. Uh, these features help project managers and team members uh, to evaluate leadership potential. Not team members, but project members only. And project members can easily evaluate leadership potential in every team member of the project, and they can conduct behavioral interviews through STAR method, and they can ask questions to assess these resources. Uh, because FreeCamp uses discussion boards, it also have a feature of where FreeCamp stores discussion history, and through discussion history, project team members can easily track their project members can easily track team members' behavior, performance, and communication quality. Uh, Project members can also use this, but it is mainly for the project manager. It also these features of discussion board and discussion history and file sharing strongly align with situational leadership model, where the leader chooses style based on team maturity and task readiness of team members. Next slide, we have integration ecosystem. FleetCam integrates with the other tools and perform platforms to create a comprehensive project management information system that eliminates silos and streamlines the workflow. FreeCamp easily integrates uh, with Google Drive and Calendar, and uh, this supports system thinking, which is one of PMBOK principle because project information flows across the value delivery system. Uh, this integration has benefits too that are some some of them are where I'll mention only four of them that are unified availability of resources from various platforms, real-time sharing of events and deadline between applications, elimination of data silos between project management tools, and accelerated decision making through real-time information sharing. Integration with work management tools enables comprehensive project management knowledge. Uh, integration, this integration between Google Drive and Calendar with FreeCamp supports the planning domain, where especially in when we create work breakdown structure, resource breakdown structure, RBS, P&D diagrams, project network diagrams, schedules, and registers. This uh, system that is FreeCamp keeps everything centralized and integrated with Google Drive and Calendar. So it's a really nice feature. Right. Next slide. On next slide we have mobile project management. Uh, so uh, this FreedCamp also have mobile capabilities, uh, it it also have a mobile APK application where it allows project manager and team members to monitor progress, update tasks, and respond to issues regardless of location. This mobile agility has benefits, opt in and out capability to project communication, visual project alert with notification support, and web portal access from any device possible. Uh, These mobile apps force stakeholder engagement, letting members to participate anytime. Uh, this support leadership concept like monitoring team behavior, uh, and it also this feature uh, this feature supports supports another concept of providing timely feedback, adjusting leadership style, and managing it manages the conflict between team members more quickly and effectively. Mobile access also helps in during risk management and risk response implementation because the team reacts to these issues. Through this, team can react to issues more quickly and effectively because everyone will have the access to the mobile application, and since everyone has mobile nowadays, so they can react to these issues more quickly. On this slide, we have performance measurement tools. One of the core features and most important features of FreeCamp is that it has a very nice looking dashboard which provides real-time insights into project performance. And as we say, pictures is a thousand words. A nice user interface also always have benefits. Uh, FreeCamp supports evidence-based decision making that are aligned with PM Work 7 measurement performance domain. Yeah, this feature uh, of FreeCamp have Gantt chart visualization, cost performance analysis, forecasting tools, and customizable dashboard for different stakeholders. Uh, FreeCamp have customizable dashboards for different stakeholder roles. Each stakeholder have its own kind of like dashboard. So it is different for every stakeholder. FreeCamp include dashboard that help track progress. We can also track task completion, budget usage, and issues through these dashboards. And also we can measure resource utilization. These links to PMBOK measurement domain and to our cost and estimation concept. Uh, Concepts like expert judgment, analog estimation, parametric estimation, and PERT estimation, and top-down versus bottom-up estimation. FreeCamp through this dashboard feature uh, and performance measurement tools, uh, uh, it helps maintain the documentation and supports various analysis. And the dashboard also helps us identify known, unknown risks, budget, results, forecast, adjustment, contingencies. So these are all the benefits of this feature of dashboard. FreeCamp have this feature for measurement everything, for measuring everything. So at the end of this presentation of our group, I will be presenting a conclusion of this. So FreeCamp is not just a project management tool. Uh, it is a complete value delivery system that aligns perfectly with PMBOK 7. It implements team management concepts, estimation techniques, scheduling, resource allocation, risk management, and leadership models. It supports the project manager across the entire life cycle from planning to delivery, monitoring and closing.